Hi guys, it's me Jun here. So today we are going to do a thrift flip. So yeah, I have my old clothes. So I'm just scrolling on Instagram and I saw this picture. It's a Neelofa new brand clothing line, and yeah, I thought she nailed it. Yeah, so I wanted to DIY it because the prices, it shook me away. It's like so expensive. It's like 45 euro, and then I don't want to waste my money on that, so I DIY this the LOFA shirt that I DIY. Then let's jump to the video. Hello. So today I'm going to DIY. So I have my old clothes that have a hole on the arm. When I buy it, like, can you tell this? This is big no. So I thought this is going to be a perfect DIY because this merch, this clothing, this sweater that she sold is like 45 euro, and it's so expensive. So let's start. Okay, so we put LOFA in here. This is her in cover of Elle Official May 2019. So yeah, so to give a support, like, yeah, this is her. She's a Malaysian fashion icon. So yeah, let's start. So I going to so we will cut this huruf. I will put the subtitle. So yeah, we cut this. I already traced it. It's not perfect, but it's okay. Okay, I'm going to cut this first. So I want to start with L. So I like, can you hear it like ASMR? Oh my god. Hello guys. I don't have printer, so I just trace this from my phone. And oh yeah, so this, I don't know what font is this, but I think it's like Loka font. I don't know, but yeah. So start. Oh, I know it's not perfect, but it's okay. Yeah, we are done. Okay, now we take this shirt and then this paper, put it inside. Yeah, put it inside like that, and then took this huruf, I don't know, the font, the I don't know what is algebra. I don't know what is the font. Yeah, just put this font over here, maybe lower a bit. Oh yeah, this is my mark, so this one, and this one. So here, and here. Okay, see that? So now take your pencil, or you can use a fabric pencil, but I don't know where's my fabric pencil, so I use pencil. So what we have to do is just trace the font. It's okay if not perfect, because we will color it later on. So this just we have to take it just like that, and then this one. Oh my god. Actually, the simple way, we can use a stencil, like you can print a stencil on hardboard, not hardboard, like paper board, and then you just stamp it like using a sponge and acrylic, but I don't have that. That is an option, a really good option. Or you can print out this on sticker for clothes, and yeah, we are done like that. And then they have like something like in this, I think like this thing, like this. So we draw it like that, I don't know, maybe like that. So yeah, we are done. So now we just, so it's coloring time. So put your, like, I don't have palette, so your, this is not color black, this is like navy blue, but it's so dark, but it's okay, we're gonna, so we put it here. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so like put like that, you can see. Oh my god, it's like, ooh, just put like that. So this is the nail polish, and I have my brush, so I didn't use this brush. This is a makeup brush, I don't know. So just like that. Oh my god, I just hold my breath. Because this nail polish smells so strong. Because they have alcohol on it, it's so strong, and it's not a good smell. My air is like, what is this? Is that even A? Yeah, it's like that. Okay, so I'm done with the color part, so I'm going to dry it first, then I'm draw the line line something on there, and yeah, so just okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Oops, before that, don't forget to subscribe and like, give it a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bells. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Comment down below what video you want to see next, or what DIY things you want to next. So, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.